Good day everyone, my name is Lisi Iltagundi from BSIT 1B. We are talking about binary relations, reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Here are the table of content. Introduction to binary relation, reflexive relation, symmetric relations, transitive relations, and summary. Introduction to binary relations. A binary relation is a collection of ordered pairs given two sets A and B. A binary relation or from A to B is a subset of A and B. This is the formal definition. R is the subset A, B. Binary relation can have properties like being reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. In the set A, we have 1, 2, 3, and sa B, 3, 2, 1. Then sa R, we have 1 and 1, 2 and 2, and 3 and 3. Ang explanation ani is, ang binary relation is usa ka pamaagi sa pagpakita sa relasyon sa duha ka butang. Sa usa ka set, una-una kini or una to nga kini as a way sa pag-pair sa mga butang or sa mga bagay-bagay. Example, kung natay duha ka tao or duha ka person, example nato si A and B, and at sila i-define as amigo. Then if si A is amigo of B, and then sila duha, kumbaga na sila relasyon sila A o B. Reflexive relation. A relation R on a set A is called reflexive if for every element of A, then A is element of R. The formal definition for all A is element A is element of R. Example, set A, 1, 2, 3. Relation R, relation R, we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and also 1, 2 is reflexive because each element in A is related to itself. Ang relation is reflexive if ang element is related sa iyang kaugalingon. Symmetric relation. A relation R is called symmetric if for every pair AB is element of R, BA R as well. Formal definition. For all AB is element of R, AB is element of R implies the BA is element of R. Set A. For example, set A we have 1, 2, 3, and relation R we have 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3. It's symmetric because whenever 1, 2 is element of R, then 2, 1 is element of R. If si A, mali ang example, if si A is amigo sa B, then si B is also amigo niya si A. In terms of order pairs, if A, B is in a relation, then si B, A must also be in a relation. Kumbaga, we have sila. Like, nga na. Yes, nasa relasyon diba? Transitive relation. A relation R is transitive if whenever A, B is element of R and BC is element of R, then AC is element of R. The formal definition for all ABC element of R, then AB is element of R, then BC element of R, then AC is element of R. Set A, we have 1, 2, 3, and relation R, we have 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 is transitive because 1A is element of R, then 2, 3 is element of R. Implies the 1, 3 is element of R. Then example, kung si A kay amigo niya si B and si B is amigo niya si C, then si A is also amigo sab niya si C, then ang relation nila is transitive. And that is the transitive relation. The summary of reflexive. Kumbaga, kaning reflexive is ma-relate nimo imong self or imong kaugalingon. Then sa symmetric is like having a partner, like si A and B, then B and A is partner. Then sa transitive is si A and B is in a relationship, ayab sila pero kumbaga kani si C mura siya third wheel kunuhay silang panag-uban. So thank you and thank you for listening and I hope damo nasabtan sa akong topic and God bless. Ching!